Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Diazun Masyara, with number 103. In here, I will presentation about three great kingdoms, Turkish, Safawi, and Mughal dynasty. Mughal Empire. Zahiruddin Babur, the Mughal dynasty was the youngest dynasty among three great Islamic kingdoms. The Mughal dynasty was formed by Zahiruddin Babur, ambition to conquer Samarkand, expansion Kabul, Punjab, Delhi, Panitaka. Number two, King Humayun faced difficulties in his reign for 9 years. Among the rebellion of Baharuddin Shah, the Gujarat regular who broke away from Delhi, including the expulsion of Sher Khan Shah. His success in reclaiming the throne, however, a year later, he did due to falling from the threat of his library in Panna. Number three, Jahangir continued his tradition with a focus on arts and culture. He was known for his love of painting and literature, as well as strengthening diplomatic relations with foreign countries. Number four, Jalaluddin Akbar, who is still for 14 years old. Because he was still 14 years old, the efforts of the kingdom were handed over to Bayram Khan. After Jalaluddin Akbar grew up, he tried to get rid of Bayram Khan, who already had a strong influence and was openly pushing the interests of the Sikh sect. Sultan Akbar's success in advancing the Mughal Empire by reforming Islamic and Hindu groups, reducing disputes, making the people prosperous by eliminating all taxes, and expanding the economy in all its bricks. Jalaluddin's military field has spread in territory everywhere. This vast territory was governed by a military government. Apart from the military, Sultan Jalaluddin Akbar introduced the Masabar system. Formation of Bangladesh. This history starts long before Bengal independence. Given roots can be traced back to the era of the Mughal dynasty and imperialist colonial development in the Indian subcontinent. Bengal territory and now become Bangladesh. After the decline of the Mughal in the 18th century, the Bengal became the center of attention of the intercolonial powers. In this process, the Bengal identity emerged as a reaction to Assyrian domination and oppression. At the end of the 19th century, the Bengal counter-revival movement began to develop, prioritizing language, literature, and the arts as symbols of national identity. In 1100 1757, Infant confirmed Penfield and implement policies on exploitation and caused an economic decline. The story of the establishment of the Safavid kingdom. The history of the founding of the Safavid kingdom and its dynasty began with the Safavid Tariqat movement founded by Safi al-Din in Azerbaijan. In this development, this order gained many followers, even the leadership of Sa'd al-Din Musa, who replaced Safi al-Din. However, the Safavid movement began to change in the 15th century when it was led by Sa'd al-Din Musa with Croson. Sayyid was a power-hungry figure. So the Safavid ordered Turk to return and began to expand its influence in the political and military space. The Safavid movement evolved into Iranian territory after its success in seizing it from Timur government founded by Timur in the 14th century. Since the decline of the Timur dynasty, Iran has been political debate, and various state-regulation movements were born. One of the strong politically was the Safawi Khilafat, led by Shah Ismail. Ismail I then conquered the Safawi kingdom in 1501, which made him the first king and founder of the Safavid dynasty. The Safavid kingdom experienced a political period, the peak of the Safavid Empire. The Safavid kingdom experienced a political period in the era of Abbas's government, and successfully overcoming the political effect in maneuvering and capturing several territories. At its peak, this kingdom ruled the areas now known as Iran, the Republic of Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Armenia, Eastern Turkey, part of the North Caucasus, including Russia, Iraq, Kuwait, and Afghanistan, and part of Turkey, Syria, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. Georgia's progress was felt in the economic field. Gain was made by the control of the Hormuz Island and film report. Yangpi was turned into Abbas Bandar. As a result, the Safavids recorded between the west and the east. The economic life of the Juffa kingdom was marked by and abundant agricultural product. In the field of science, three are several names of great science from the era of the Safavid kingdom, namely Baha al-Jina al-Shirazi, Said al-Din al-Shirazi, and Muhammad al-Bakir ibn Muhammad Ahmad. Although the progress of the Safavid kingdom in architecture was marked by the establishment of number of medical facilities, huge of mosque, school, hospital, and various public buildings. Decline of the Safavid Empire. The decline of the Safavid kingdom was found after Abbas I attained the throne in 106,028. The reason was that Sukkot's leaders paid less attention to progress of their government and people. In addition, the struggle between the Shia and Sunni Islamic group was also the cause of the kingdom's decline. Then, in 107,022, the Afghanistan rebel led by Mir Mahmud, who successfully occupied the capital of Isfahan. Tahmasp II had captured the Isfahan village with the help of General Nadir from the Khazar tribe in Russia and restored the kingdom. On March, King Abbas III finally declined, and that also marked the fall of the Safavid kingdom. The story of the founding of the Ottoman Empire. Today, Turkey, known as the Republic of Turkey, is a secular state that originates from the legacy of the Ottoman Empire. Since it was in the form of a kingdom or dynasty, this country has experienced a phase of historical development that began. The founds of this kingdom were the Turks from the Kayik Bukut tribe who inhabited the Mongol area and the northern region of China, led by Sulaiman Shah. They left their original homeland, moving to Turkestan. From Turkestan, they moved to Persia and Iraq. Their move was caused by attack by the Mongol who had long ruled Central and West Asia under the leadership of their famous king, Genghis Khan. The Turks continued to wander until they reached the banks of the Euphrates, then crossing the Euphrates River on their way near the country of Amora. They encountered two armies fighting. The two armies at war were the Mongols and the Seljuks. The Seljuk Turks were able to win the war against the Mongol army because they were assisted by a group under the leadership of Ertugrul. After the Seljuk maneuvered victory, Alauddin gave them a gift in the form of an area in the Iskandar region of the burden of the Byzantine kingdom near Prusa, because in this area that the Ottoman Empire flourished. Achievement of the Ottoman Turkish kingdom. Military field support military force from land, sea and air, use border weapons faster than enemies in Europe, and they fit in stealth police and central and permanent force specialists in the manufacture and disposal of garments. Field of science and culture from Persian culture they learned many and Karma teaching in the palace of the kings from Arab Pisa obtained teaching on principles of economic, social, and social science and methods. Achievement of the Usman Turkish Kingdom. Field of faith, the teaching system in Ottoman Turkey advanced on memorizing matan, tujuh matan, al-Jurumiyah, matan takrib, matan alfiyah, and matan sultan. After memorizing, the new disciples learned the terms in the Ottoman Turkish period. They use Arabic in becoming a file language, even though Turkey as a whole does not follow in the footsteps of Arab civilization. Single factor. Number one, government administration is very complete and complex. Number two, the difference of the population causes a setting to fair. Number three, the wins the wins culture of expectation among officials who want to be approved. Number four, the decade of the economy due to the many wars. Number five, recession of science activities. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.